today I'm a little busy because we're preparing 3 drinks: orange juice, banana shake, and of course Frappuccino coffee. Stay with me, subscribe this channel, and let me show you how easy you can prepare these drinks. So let's start from orange juice. We will see how the blender can preparing our juice. Okay, so we need the bottle. Our orange. Just one more thing, we need to add water. Just like that. Bang. And now pour orange juice. What you need to do is and you have your juice. Pour orange juice. So delicious. Okay guys, how about banana with ice? Let's check. Of course we need bottle. We need to open banana. And we need 2 liter ice. A liter water. And then we close. Okay guys, so we have banana shake. Shaky ice. Smells good. We just need let me taste. I can't stop. It's so delicious. Banana shake, and it's very cold, fresh. Okay, I know that you're waiting for the Frappuccino coffee, so I just bring it the espresso, and now I'm gonna prepare for you. So once again, we need butter, espresso, ice, now I forgot about milk, so I'm here. Okay, then our blender cutter close. Done. What we need to do now, because I don't like to drink from this bottle coffee, I'll put 2 cups. Okay. And for the last, we put some decorate. And that will be your Frappuccino coffee. So delicious. Like I showed you, JML Power Blender can make every kind of drinks which you need to use blender. We already prepared it. Delicious Frappuccino coffee. One of the best pure banana shakes, blended of course with ice, and pure orange juice. And there will be no problem to use this also to grind the coffee beans, so you don't need to be worried about how you're gonna use it. There's very good strong power blender from JML. So now this, when you making, remember to add water when you put fruits so they can move easily. Also here, even you put ice, always add little bit water or milk that can move. Regarding this, you don't need add water because of course you will add your coffee, espresso, and ice and milk, and your drink is ready. Cheers. Thanks for watching me. I hope that you like my presentation from today, that I show you how preparing drinks in JML Blender. And I hope that you will not need to go to restaurants and spending money for your Frappuccino coffee, because you can just buy JML Blender and prepare it at home. So thank you for watching me. Don't forget to click subscribe button. Thanks again and see you in next video. Cheers.